Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace the windshield wiper blade on an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is an Acura RDX. This is the front windshield, and this is one of the wiper blades. I'm going to show you exactly how to replace them. It is a super easy process. First and foremost, we're just going to slightly lift it off of the windshield. We're not going to really lift the whole arm out because it's hitting the hood of the car. So we're just going to slightly lift it up. If I lift it higher, you can hear it touching the hood of the car. So we're just going to lift it up slightly. Now, if I reach my finger, if I angle the wiper like this, and I reach my finger right at the end of this metal arm right here, and I reach inside, you can hear me flicking that. That's actually a little tab, and I'll show you where it is. If I move the camera like this, you can't really see the tab, but I will show you that right where my finger is right here, okay? Right in there, that's where the tab is going to be, and you can move it. That's why you heard that sound. So let me just re-angle my camera right here. There we go. So all that I have to do is press and hold that tab inwards towards the metal arm, and then slide the windshield wiper towards the metal arm. So this is the metal arm. So I'm pressing and holding that tab, and I'm sliding the wiper blade, as you can see, towards the metal arm, okay? And then it comes right off, just like that. So there's your old wiper blade, then you can replace it with a new one. And if you take a look over here, there's actually just a little hook. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's actually just a little hook design over here that holds it in place, okay? So just to be clear, it's just a little hook design. So now all that I need to do is get my new wiper, which in this case, I'm just using the same one. And you're gonna just do the opposite. You're gonna take it, you're gonna get it into position, align it with the metal arm, just like that. And then you're gonna slide it where the hook is. So right now I'm just gonna slide it until I hear a click, just like that, okay? Just give it a little wiggle to make sure that it's not going anywhere. That's it, it's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.